Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Literature review is one of the most important ingredients of research. Without literature review, we cannot carry on any sort of research. In order to make it more understandable and synchronous to our research, we have to keep in mind whether we are carrying on our research by literature review, that is author wise, chronological wise, or thematic one. The first thing that strikes our mind while doing our research is the author wise literature review. In author wise literature review, we have to conduct our research, keep in mind the alphabetical order of the names. For example, if I say an article, a book which is written by Abid, or another one which is written by Abdullah, it has to be kept in mind that out of these two, it is Abdullah that has to be written first. Abdullah that has to be written first. Whether its writing year is 2021 or 2010, etc. But this is for in-text citation. Normally, for literature review, it must be Abdullah 2021, talking about a little bit of the theme, the article, the book that is about it. Then we would write down the Abid. It has nothing to do with this. The next thing, another article, if it is written by, for example, Salim or Tariq or Zahid, so it has to be Salim, S.T. and then Zahid. Then its order may be 2020, for example 2014, 2010. Normally in in-text citation we use that is Salim, 2020, but for literature review it is Salim 2020. The next form of literature review is the chronological one. In chronological literature review, we mention things year-wise or date-wise. Even inside the year-wise, we talk about the different dates, the different months where the book or the article or the report has been published, or any document which is available on the web page. For example, an article which is written in 2010, we have nothing to do with its author. It may be written by, for example, Zahid in 2010, but here we have to follow the sequence. Another article, for example, written in 2013, written by, for example, Salim. Another article, for example, written in 2017, written by, for example, Said. Another article written by somebody in 2000, for example, 19. Then it has to be the sequence of the chronological literature review. The third one is the thematic literature review. In thematic literature review, We keep in mind the different themes that are related to our research area or subject area that we are going to focus on, that we are going to conduct our research on. For example, we say that political instability in Pakistan, implications for subsequent political culture in Pakistan. So different themes are there. One is political instability. Second one is subsequent political culture. And then how to link this political instability and to talk about its subsequent political culture. This may not be the only example. Another example may be, for example, IMF conditionalities implications for any country or political turmoil in any country, implications for regional dynamics. So these may be some of the examples of writing down literature review. These are not the only forms of literature review, but there are some other forms. One is the narrative or traditional literature review, in which we mainly remain focused on the topic of interest where there is no predetermined research questions or no predetermined questions are there. Another one is the systematic literature review. Systematic literature review has a predetermined research questions or predetermined protocol. Third one is the integrative literature review. Integrative literature review is normally used for the research where there is no primary sources or no primary data and it has to deal with the secondary sources. The fourth one is the theoretical literature review. In theoretical literature review, we remain mainly concerned and focused on the development of theories, the generation of theories, or testing of theories through hypothesis, etc. So this is all for the literature review. Thank you for watching.